Hey, Tanya, this is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for taking my call earlier today, and thank you for clicking on this video. We're going to briefly talk today about 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And one of the main things that's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found making these TAC plans and giving them away for free. Some business owners will do this for themselves. Some call me back and ask for help. So if you want some help with this, give me a call and we can chat. If you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm trying to help out as many business owners as I can. So I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, looking at your website here, it's a pretty decent website. It looks good. There's lacking a little bit of content. Okay, so you guys have a few words of content here, 410 words of content. What you're going to want to have to rank well on Google is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Okay, and so how that works is um, Google doesn't care what your website looks like. They go on content. Okay, and content's all the words and pictures here. Okay, and so what they want to do is they want to put people in front of the website that's going to answer all their questions. And that's generally the website that has the most words. More so, if you have more content, you also are going to have more keywords that those customers are searching for. Okay, so first thing I would do, obviously, is increase your content to at least 1,500. And that would be enough to rank you on the first page of an organic search. Um, After that, you want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google judges you based off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant links to your website from, say, other plumbing companies, other septic, HVAC, and electrical companies. Okay, and so what that's going to do is give you more trustworthiness because these people are kind of vouching for you, saying that you are a good plumber, electrical person, or HVAC person. Okay, and so how we can look at that, we go back in here to Ahrefs. This is a nice little tool I have. I can look at the backside of websites, and you guys are doing really well with the backlink game. Okay, 84 referring domains, over 1,200 backlinks, and it's bringing you 5,900 in traffic value every single month. Okay, so you guys are doing it right. Okay, so there's no reason why you guys should not be ranking on the first page, except for the content and keyword game that we talked about previously. All right, so last thing we'll talk about is when folks come in here and they search for a plumber, Virginia Beach plumber, they're ready to buy. Okay, so the first plumber that shows up to them that seems trustworthy, you want to be that guy because that's the easiest customers to close. Okay, so up here at the top, these are ads. Okay, and people skip those ads because they don't trust them or they've had a bad experience with them. They may even have an ad blocker on. I know I don't click on any ads. Okay, so right here in the map pack is the first time for someone to seem trustworthy. And if you're at the top, these top three right here, you're in the money zone. That's gold right there. So how you get into this area, this Google My Business map pack area, is through citations. And citations are your name, address, and phone number on directories on the web. And directories are stuff like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor. Okay, so things you already know and probably are using. So the more of those citations that you can get, the easier it's going to be to rank up and get on this front page right here in the top three. All right. So an easy thing we can do is we can look at A1 Sewer and Drain or Mr. Rotor Plumbing, and we can see what directories they're citing in and just get you cited in those directories. It's that simple. Doesn't cost a thing. So that's all I got for you today. I hope it was informative. As a quick recap, we're going to want to get more content and keywords on your webpage. You're doing great with the backlink game. Keep it up, and then we're gonna want to go out and grab more citations, more citations than what your competitors are doing out here. Okay, so um, if you want to do this all yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. All I ask is for a line or two of feedback. Tell me how I do. Let me know if this was valuable information. And if you want help doing it, give us a call. My phone number is right here, 757-354-2802. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.